Hi everyone, I'm Todd and I'm excited to share this video with you today completely for free. We've put this together because we want to help more people like you access tools that can genuinely change the way you earn online. So if you enjoy this content, we'd really appreciate your support for our channel. It means a lot and it helps us create even more valuable videos for you. So in this video, I'm going to go over showing you how to set up and use an Ethereum sniping bot using AI tools like ChatGPT. Now, this bot has already started generating consistent passive income for us and our students every single day. Pretty awesome, right? So what does this bot actually do? It constantly monitors the blockchain, searching for new tokens and price changes. The moment it spots a profitable opportunity, it acts fast, buying or selling tokens before others can react. So this speed is a game changer and it gives you a real edge in profiting from price differences. So the bot's strength comes from its smart algorithms that instantly identify new listings for sudden price movements and execute trades automatically. And don't worry, if this sounds technical, it's much easier than it seems. You don't need any coding skills, and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. So let's dive in and get started. I requested ChatGPT to create a code for an Ethereum smart contract that would automatically identify and search for opportunities to seize these tokens. Now, let's proceed to Remix. Remix is a Web3 app that enables the development, compilation, deployment, and execution of smart contracts done in the Solidity programming language. I will provide a link to the Remix in the description below. Please make sure that you have the MetaMask extension installed in your browser and are connected to the Ethereum blockchain network. If you are using Remix for the first time, you may be prompted to agree to their terms. So I've already done that. Now, navigate to the sidebar on the left and create a new contract. Let's call it bot.sol. Then copy the code you received from ChatGPT and paste it into your newly created bot.sol file. So this is it. This is our automated trading sniping bot. I will also include the code in this description so you can copy it. After inserting the code, there are a couple of things worth noting. Lines 13 and 14 are particularly important. These are the addresses of tokens linked to the cost of Ether, known as wrapped tokens. These are the tokens we will be competing against. In fact, you don't need them. Yes, that's right. This is the official address for wrapped Ether. It's always a good idea to check it. So let's get back to the Remix. Now that our bot file is ready, let's compile it. As you can see, it is coded in Solidity, version 0.6.6. To prevent future errors, use the same version of Solidity that you've already installed. The Solidity and EVM versions are set to the default. Enable optimization. Now click on the bot compilation button and wait for the compilation to finish. Then we will deploy it in our wallet. Go to the deploy and execute transaction section in Remix. Here we need to choose the Injected Provider as for our environment. To confirm the contract on the blockchain, we must pay the gas fee. Gas, also known as gas fees, is the cost of deploying a smart contract. The deployment under the utility is now ready for launch. Click Deploy. I always set the gas to a high level. The difference in gas is usually insignificant, but it greatly boosts my transactions so far. Now, we are awaiting confirmation of this transaction. We've got the confirmation of our transaction has been completed, which means that our smart contract has been deployed. Now we can explore the capabilities of our smart contract. The start button initiates the monitoring of the markets by the bot. The withdraw button stops the bot and transfers funds back to the wallet. What's more, you can check the current balance in the bot's account. When the smart contract is deployed, we copy its address and verify it on Etherscan. As you can see, my wallet is the creator of this contract. Excellent. Then we're going to transfer a small amount of Ether to it, which will be used for crypto trading in the future. Make sure that you've entered the correct address of your wallet. You may fund your smart contract with any amount of Ether, but remember that the more funds you invest, the larger transactions you will be able to make, which, by the way, potentially increases your profit over time. And this is undoubtedly nice. So we can see now that our funds have been credited to the smart contract, and that's confirmed by the transaction we've just made. Great work. 2 ethers were sent to the contract. That's exactly the amount we put on the contract just before. And our last step is to press start button. After that, our bot is to start tracking the mempool to search for various liquidity pairs for further use of the sandwich attacks transaction strategy. Let's set a gas speed to high, save it, and click confirm. We are waiting for its confirmation now. There you go. Now let's go to Etherscan and make sure that our bot is running. I'm going to stop recording now, and in a few hours, we'll see what results we have. I'm here again, and it's been a few hours. Let's see how we did. As you can see, my balance has gone up, which is already very good. Here you can see how much the total came out to be. Here you can see some bots transactions. Let's turn to the remix. And as we can see, the bot's balance is the same. Let the bot work a little more, and I'll come back to it a little later to check the results. So let's refresh the page and see what we've got. Wow, nice work. The balance got even bigger. This is the balance that we got as a result of the work. Wow, that's really impressive. The bot will continue to run until we click the withdraw button. When we click withdraw, the bot stops trading and returns to all previously earned Ether, including profits back to the wallet. Let's click on this button. It will really takes a little gas, and I'll set the level high again and press confirm. That's all. It's done by now. The transaction has been successfully completed. Please check your MetaMask wallet to see the results. As you can see, my bot has already deposited the funds into your wallet. Excellent. In the past, I have earned between 3 and 6 ethers, sometimes even more. The amount of ethers I get depends on the Ethereum network's capacity. So, are there any questions? I'm going to delete this video soon, as it is for my personal channel and subscribers only. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Feel free to contact me on Telegram for more information to find out how to get Profit Web 3.0.